So on our campus, we are training our staff in DBT. So part of their orientation and onboarding process is that they complete an 8-hour intensive training. That's with myself, and we are teaching staff the skills that we want the students to be learning. Once a month, we also do clinical trainings where our therapists each take a turn training our staff on a topic that we feel like is needed for that time frame. And this is not just our milieu staff. These are our teachers, this is our rec staff, these are the gals in the kitchen, this is our admission team. We're training our whole campus.
So every month we hold clinical trainings for the entire campus, and the therapists are assigned, what month we're going to do our training, and we get to pick what we want to do the training on or base it off of the current needs. So I just did a training this past year, and I just did it was about helpful skills and tips in working with adolescents. So those are the trainings that we facilitate. And then we also do meetings with the community directors and the mentors. And then I'm currently working on developing a training for our community directors as well.
We do all of the same training that the staff does, the dorm staff, the milieu staff. We have, the PCS training, the intervention training, we have the professional boundaries training, we have, I can't even tell you, there's literally probably 40 to 50 trainings that we have to go through, and we do those yearly. It's not something, you don't get a choice. We have CPR first aid, that's another big one that we just finished up. So training is definitely high on the list for sure.
There's also a lot of hands-on training as well that's been going on more recently. Working with the mentors on the floor in the middle of a shift. Not just calling them into a room and teaching them something, but also seeing what they're doing on the fly and then being able to help them there as well. The more information that you can give people and the more you can teach them, the easier the job becomes. So being able to teach them not only in a classroom setting where we do our monthly trainings, but also being able to talk to them right after an event on the floor and be able to debrief what happened and things we could do better. That's the part that I really enjoy.